All right, this is Brandon Evans, Project Advisor for Hail Pro, General Contracting in Minnesota. I'm just going to do a video analysis example of what we do on the roof and what we look for in hail and how we market to help the roof get improved by the insurance company and part of the supplement process too. So I'm just going to kind of walk up the ladder here and do a little walkthrough of the video analysis of the roof here in Savage, Minnesota, and what we got here. So this is a typical inspection that I'll be doing and what we're looking for. Kind of repeating myself there, but here we go. Okay, so here's the valley that I'm going to go up, and that's close enough to the roof that I can just kind of do a step. So I'm going to do that. But before I do that, we'll look at part of the front slope here, right when we were walking. So chalk mark here is showing some of the hail hits. There, where the underlayment is damaged and the granulates are definitely gone, and it's a little bit squishy. It's kind of on the edge there, but I'm going to zoom out. Front equals 8 hits, and I chalked all of them and take pictures and video for the insurance company and for the client to see. Here's kind of a valley. Can't see it too good in the video, but we chalked the valley too down and kind of put the arrow if there's hits in there, because insurance companies are going to want collateral damage to show those thin metals were hit first. Here's a ridge hit that I chalked that is a valid hail hit. Here's a couple of vents. These are harder, well, it's still a thin metal, but these are your Turtle 750 vents that we check as well. I have a couple chalked up top that we'll show. This is kind of just the gable here, kind of steep, but I'm gonna step up here. Ugh. There we go. There's another hit there that I didn't mark. So here's the left elevation here. There's not one big slope, so this is the best left elevation slope that we got. We got hail hits there. Granulates are gone, and I mean you can just kind of see it when it's zoomed out. So let's stay zoomed out. This one isn't really hail hit because I mean, it's just ginormous. There's something weird going on here, and this little hit could be from the hail, but this, all the fibers and stuff, that could be some different issues, but yeah, let's just keep moving on here. But I didn't mark that one. Got these down there, a couple of them right next to each other there, like some eyes. So I got left slope here, left facing. We got 9 hits. This is typically what the insurance company does. They come to your roof and do an adjustment. They chalk it up, and they need to mark this for their own housekeeping and to support a valid claim to approve the whole roof. So that's what we're going to do about the case, to prompt the adjuster and just to have our own knowledge in our brain, so when we meet the adjuster on the roof, we'll be prepared. So here's we're up on the roof a little bit more here. So again, this is another, I already marked up that other front slope, but that was kind of on the left in a smaller area. So up top on the roof more, I wanted to get some more going on here. So again, here is some valley metal hits. It's tough to see with this blue chalk right now with this type of metal, but when I chalk it like all the way from here and kind of chalk down, it usually lights up pretty good. So we got one circle there and a dent that the chalk showed from hail, and then one there as well. Here's some more hail hits on this roof. Just kind of going over. I'm not going to zoom around them all, but yep, it looks like you can see enough zoomed out again. So front, I just put 8 plus. I kind of put the plus there in this scenario, when they do a square test, it's 10 feet by 10 feet. So there's one or a couple that are maybe outside that official 100 square foot radius, but we got eight at least. Now we're kind of moving to the rear elevation. I got some more chocks going here. Didn't do this vent though. We're going to chop the vents up on the other side of the roof. But there's some more hits. Kind of overall, we got the one and that one wasn't like this. This is an example of, this is kind of a mechanical. This isn't going to be a hail. Most likely when this roof was being installed, there was maybe a hammer or a nail gun or something that kind of hit the head, and then they slid the nail gun or whatever tool they were using. So that can't be a valid hail hit, or we're not going to fight that over insurance because it's just not a hail. There's another guy there. So on the rear, I got 10 times 10 hits, and typically insurance companies, they're looking for, depends on which insurance company, but they're looking for 7+ hits in the radius. This roof does have a shingle mismatch on the roof. There was some repair, some leaking. Prior to them moving in, there was some repair job done. It's obviously not the same shingle, so that can negatively influence a claim if there's only maybe a marginal damage on one slope or one shingle from wind that's missing to supplement to do the Minnesota matching to get the whole roof bot. But since there is mismatching shingles, that can negatively impact the situation. But this roof has plenty of damage, so that won't come into play here. We'll be just fine. So here's kind of the vent here. Chalked it up, and we got some hail hits that I circled on there. Okay, that's just kind of the other porch portion. And then here's kind of another bigger hail hit right there on this vent. So I'm not going to chalk them all up, or else the whole roof's going to visually not be appealing. And actually, I was going to wait till after this video, but after some of the nails that I picked up fell back out of my pocket, I'll go grab those after this here. I just kind of like to wipe it down. The rain's going to wash this chalk away, no problem, the next rainfall. But I just want to make a little wipe down here. Makes it not so visually blue or appealing on the roof. Let me go grab this nail that I picked up on this fell out too. This was just kind of randomly on the roof. When I'm on the roof inspection, we do like to pick up any weird stuff, or just make sure the roof is good. Sometimes there's some balls in the gutters that we just clear out, or some sticks. I was on a older lady's roof, and she had definitely some tree overhang, and I helped her trim those trees. I was on the roof and they were right there, and it took me 10 minutes, but I was happy to help her out. Okay, this section of the video is kind of, I guess, what to look for, how an insurance company works when they inspect or do the adjustment at your property, and what we do. Hail Pro, let me switch it back around. What we do, Hail Pro, when we have a situation with the insurance company that they don't think we have enough documentation, or just there's multiple reasons that up front and coming back here once the ice and snow is cleared, for me to properly mark all of our elevations, show where the damage is, show how many hail hits. It really helps the case for the insurance. And not a lot of contracting. Well, we specialize in this, so we just know what to do. So, yep. Again, this is Brandon Evans, project advisor for Hail Pro. You can contact us. We have offices in Burnsville and Prior Lake, Minnesota, and we're pretty much all over Minnesota. We're licensed, so if you have a property in Minnesota, you can contact us for a free complimentary inspection, just kind of like what I'm doing here. It won't cost you at all, and I can give you some good info, give you a video analysis and photos of what the condition of your roof is, because there's no way from ground level you're going to be able to see this. So contact me, or we have plenty of other project advisors, people on the ground, boots ready to go. So yep, contact us. Our website, Hail Pro. If you just search for Hail Pro or Hail Pro MN for Minnesota, we'll be all over the social media with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We're active. So thanks for watching.